Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro Smart Air Fryer, and we're going to have a look around the features. We're also going to make a healthy meal with it. It is a 10.8 litre 2-layer and broken between the two, just over 6 litres and just over 4 litres on the top, but the bottom layer has a heating element in the bottom as well as the top of the bottom layer, and you can do 3-layer cooking. It's got an app. A lot of good things to like about the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro Smart Air Fryer. Let's get into it. First off, unboxing. Comes in a fairly good sized box. On the front then it says the Cosori VeSync Turbo Tower, effortless meals, less clutter, maximum flavor. So it's using the Turbo Tower air frying technology, DC motor technology, and also 3-layer cooking at once. It's a 10.8 litre, up to 8 persons. Nothing on 2-year limited warranty. What does the pack include? 1 air fryer, 1 manual, roasting rack, quick start guide, and 2 crisper plates. That's the same. Oh no, that's giving you the capacity, 10.8, and 22%, 32% slimmer, 2.1 times bigger cooking area. Maximize your meals with the Turbo Tower, featuring 2 top heaters and a 10.8 litre capacity. You can cook across 3 layers for up to 8 persons with versatile cooking functions and a non-stick basket. You get quick, even results every time with easy cleanup. So that is the outside of the box. And then inside, we're here to help. We've got the support emails there. And then we've got the quick start guide, which, oh, very good. It's lovely that it's not in glossy paper. It's in this lovely kind of a cardboard side of things. And so you can see cooking with 1 basket, cooking with 2 baskets. The VeSync 3-layer cooking also has the email. And your download the app, because there is a smart cooker with it. So it's the Turbo Tower Pro that we have today. 10.8 litres smart air fryer. We won't go through all the manuals there now, but you get what's there. And let me lift. That's lovely. And then you have all the stuff on the back as to the that's a handy little guide to have around the place. Okay, so you can see all the different ones here. Then we've got some polystyrene and then the actual air fryer in there. So let me come back to you when I get it out of the box. So here it is in situ. I've taken off the silicone. So for a better experience, please do a test run of your air fryer in both zones, 1 and 2 at 195 for 10 minutes. So we will do that after we wash it. And then down here, the Turbo Tower Pro 10.8 litre smart air fryer, 8 persons, 32% slimmer, 2.1% bigger, and then cooking area and fully ceramic coated basket and crisper plate. So how it works is there's a heater on the bottom, there is a DC motor, 3 layers of cooking, and with the air fryer. So you can bake, reheat, air fry, grill, roast, proof, or dry out. And there's a smart app as well. So I'm going to be looking to do all of that. Satisfying. Pulling off all the stickers. And then inside, we've got you can see the crisper plate there. Huge. Very good. So I give these a wash. And then we also have another crisper plate down there with the bigger, and this is making it 3 layers. This is the rack. I'm doing this one-handed. So salmon, which is actually what we're going cooking tonight. Potatoes on the top, and then underneath then your veg. And that, oh, you can see the heating element down there. And then the other one up on top. Very good. And then on this one, you can see it up on top there then as well. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We are going to get that plugged in, set up the app, and then start cooking after we run that test run. We have washed, wiped, and we have ran it for 195 for. So you can click section number 1, section basket number 2, and you can see this is basket number 1, this is basket number 2, and you can have it either match, which is the same temperature, or you can have it in sync, which you can set the temperature for basket number 1 and the duration, and then you can set the temperature for basket number 2, temperature and duration, and then hit play, and it'll time it so both baskets will finish at the same time. Other options are air fry, or roast, bake, grill, reheat, dry, and proof. So yeah, all very easy and user friendly there. And then I need to hold down this for 5 seconds to connect to the app. So I'm going to do that now and show you what the app, you can see it and the little Wi-Fi symbol there. So we're going to do baby potatoes on the base in basket number 2. We're going to put the salmon in while that goes on. So we're going to go with basket number 2. We're going to go for 20 minutes and we're going to go for 200. We're going to start that and away it goes. We're going to have the salmon on the wire rack and we're going to put asparagus in number 1. So we're going 5 minutes in and we're going to add in our salmon, and it automatically paused when you pulled it out and then it restarts again when you put it back in. We're going to add the asparagus into basket number 1 very shortly. So we put our asparagus in the top, coated, and we have it on sync. So it has its own temperature and it's 4 minutes. And so this is going to count down basket number 2 because we've pressed sync. And so both of them will finish at the same time. So I'll come back to you when basket number 1 starts. And you can see basket number 2 underneath then with the potatoes and the salmon. So that is the sync function. It holds the top basket until, or the bottom basket, whichever way it is, until it makes sure that both of them are going to be in together. So this is my cooking assistant, Darwin. She likes to keep my foot warm when we're in the kitchen in case anything falls. And so what should happen now is once that comes down to 6 o'clock or 6 minutes, it will allow you to, it will kick in basket number 1 because it's on sync. So let's see if that happens. But overall, a very tidy machine, great quality build finish, quiet. Ready to kick in. I can actually show you what it's going to look like on the app as well, because you can see both baskets and their temperature and their times left on the app as well. There we go. So away we go. I'll see you back in a couple of minutes. This is what the app looks like, and you can see zone 1 and zone 2, and you can see both of them now are 6 minutes, but you can see zone 1 hasn't been cooking as long as zone 2. You can sync and you can match and you can set up via the app. It doesn't allow you to automatically cook it, set it up by the app. You still have to press start, but you can monitor it. It's got some cooking plans here. You can pick salmon, what zone it is, the weight. You can pick it, you can manually select it, or you can do it via the default. What type of cooking mode, the cooking time, the temperature, the chef tips there. He talks about spraying with some oil, and then your own notes. So lots of cooking charts there built into the actual app. As well as that, within the app, then you're also going to get some other handy stuff where you can see the history. The diet function is interesting, where you can type in, so for example, salmon, it shows you a couple of salmon dishes, and it'll actually show you temperatures, what you need to do, the nutrition of that meal. And then also at the very bottom, you can see step by step, and it'll show you that there's 6 steps here. You can swipe through them. You can keep your own notes, and they're private to you. You can cook the dish or cook the stop. And so, yeah, really, really intuitive. So if you don't want salmon, you can do chicken. And so I'm sure this database gets updated more and more as more people are using it. So mini pizza with vegetable and chicken. And again, how long it takes to cook, etc., etc. So since using the app as well, I can see when
my partner has it on. I can see the history of what it was used for. And so, yeah, just another way of notifying that the appliance is on in the kitchen, which isn't a bad thing. There is a shopping list there. If you are going to use it to put your meal plan together for the week, you can have your shopping list. And then other devices as well. So the VeSync world is more than just the turbo fryer. You can, I'm sure there's smart scales by the looks of things there. You can put in your weight, etc., etc. And so, yeah, other devices, and they can zone it in there as well, and talk you through the different settings on the app. So that is the VeSync app. So a couple of little beeps there, and we're ready to go. We have our salmon with our potatoes underneath, and we have our asparagus on the top. So let's dish up and show you what it looks like. Turn that fella off. So here we have asparagus, salmon, and some roast baby potatoes. Beautiful looking forward to tasting it. Yeah, worked very easily, worked very simply. Let me have a look and taste. So before I dig in, what do I like about the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro Smart Air Fryer? I like the fact that it's got 3 layers of cooking. That included wire rack is really nice for the likes of your protein, be that salmon or chicken or whatever it may be. Compact design. We did have a dual other brand fryer side by side, and it just took up a lot of counter space. But you're not losing out in capacity. It's still 10.8 litres. The fact that it's ceramic coated and PFAS free, which is also something that we're looking at in all of our cookware, etc. The fact that it also has that DC motor and that dual heating element underneath and above the larger. The size on the larger one 6.5 and the smaller one is 4.3 with it. And then the fact that it's on this channel is it's Wi-Fi connected, and it has that on smart app. So yeah, looking forward to digging in. Hopefully you've enjoyed that review of the Cosori Turbo Tower Pro Smart Air Fryer. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, jump into the comments. There's going to be some links below. This air fryer was sent to me by Cosori, but they didn't pay for the video. And they also offered me to do some affiliate links, but I haven't. I don't do affiliate links. I'm happy enough to get stuff to review. You can see exactly what my thoughts are on it. But remember to follow Smart Home Tested for the Smart Life Simplified.